For graphic designers, a monitor is the gateway to a world of infinite possibilities. Choosing a monitor isn't just about size, it's about capturing the essence of creativity with precision and clarity. Having in mind the needs of designers, we have tried several good to great monitors that could match their demands. In this video, we'll have a look at 7 top-notch monitors for graphic designers that are not only reliable, but also offer a variety of uniqueness. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting with the Samsung Viewfinity S9, which impressed us with its 27-inch 5K resolution display. The screen delivered top-notch clarity and sharpness with a resolution of 5120 by 2880 pixels, crucial for detailed design work. Its 99% DCI-P 3-color gamut coverage ensured vibrant and accurate color reproduction. Particularly, we found the built-in color calibration tool particularly useful, which allowed for quick adjustments without external hardware. The monitor's slim design and versatile stand added to its appeal and provided comfortable viewing angles for long work sessions. Additionally, the Thunderbolt 4 connectivity streamlined our workflow and enabled fast data transfer and device charging. While the price point was on the higher side, we felt the overall performance and features justified the investment for serious graphic designers. Moving on to the BenQ PD3220U, this 31.5-inch 4K monitor offers a spacious canvas for creative work. With a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, it delivers sharp image quality. The monitor covers 95% of the DCI-P 3 color space and is factory tested for accuracy. Its dual view feature allows users to work in 2 color spaces simultaneously, which is particularly useful for cross-medium projects. Not just that, the KVM switch functionality enables control of multiple devices with a single set of peripherals to streamline the workflow. Additionally, the monitor's Thunderbolt 3 connectivity provides fast data transfer and power delivery. The PD3220U's ergonomic stand offers height, tilt, and pivot adjustments for comfortable viewing angles. Although some users may find the on-screen display menu navigation a bit cumbersome, the PD3220U stands tall on the list. Next up, we took a look at the Acer Vero RL 272, a 27-inch Full HD monitor that caught our attention with its eco-friendly approach. Made from 30% post-consumer recycled plastic, it appealed to our environmentally conscious side. Despite its lower resolution compared to others on our list, we found the image quality surprisingly good for its price point. The 100% sRGB coverage was sufficient for many design tasks, though we noted limitations for high-end color work. We appreciate the Comfy View anti-glare coating, which reduces eye strain during long work sessions. The monitor's slim profile and wide viewing angles made it suitable for collaborative work environments. While it lacked some advanced features of pricier models, we found it to be a reliable, budget-friendly option for designers starting out or those with less demanding color accuracy needs. Let's talk about the Apple Pro Display XDR, a monitor that left us in wonder with its 32-inch 6K resolution screen. The Extreme Dynamic Range technology delivered impressive contrast and brightness levels, which reached up to 1600 nits in HDR content. We found the P3 wide color gamut and true 10-bit color depth to be exceptional for high-end photo and video editing. The monitor's build quality was impeccable, with a nano-texture glass option that virtually eliminated glare. However, we were disappointed that the stand was sold separately at a significant additional cost. The lack of built-in calibration tools also meant relying on external solutions. Despite these drawbacks, the Pro Display XDR's image quality was great, which makes it a top choice for professionals working with HDR content or requiring utmost color accuracy. Moving on to the Asus ProArt PA32UCGK, we tried this 32-inch 4K monitor designed for professional content creators. Its mini LED backlight with 1600 local dimming zones delivered impressive HDR performance, reaching peak brightness levels of 1600 nits. We found the Thunderbolt 3 connectivity and built-in calibration sensor particularly useful for maintaining color accuracy over time. The monitor's ability to support multiple HDR formats, including Dolby Vision, proved valuable for video editing work. In addition, the ProArt Palette software provided extensive color adjustment options. While we appreciate the monitor's strong build quality, its size and weight made it less suitable for frequent repositioning. While its high price may be prohibitive for some, it represents a professional-grade investment for those requiring top-tier color performance and versatility. It's time to have a look at the ViewSonic VP 3268A4K, a 32-inch 4K monitor that strikes a balance between performance and affordability. Its 100% sRGB and Rec. 709 color space coverage, along with hardware calibration support, ensured consistent color accuracy for our design work. The ergonomic stand of the monitor deserves appreciation, which allowed for easy adjustment to maintain proper posture during long work sessions. Not just that, the built-in KVM switch proved useful for managing multiple devices. However, we found the maximum brightness of 350 nits somewhat limiting for HDR content. The monitor's uniformity correction feature helped maintain consistent brightness across the screen, which we found beneficial for large design projects. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of more expensive models, we found it to be a reliable workhorse for everyday graphic design tasks. Lastly, the Dell UltraSharp U4021QW, a massive 40-inch curved monitor that left a lasting impression. Its 5120 by 2160 resolution provided an expansive workspace that we found ideal for complex design layouts and multitasking. The 21 by 9 aspect ratio offered a panoramic view that reduced the need for multiple monitors. We acknowledge the 100% sRGB and 98% DCI-P3 color coverage, which ensured accurate color reproduction across various design applications. The Thunderbolt 3 port with 90-watt power delivery simplified our desk setup by reducing cable clutter. Nevertheless, we found that the sheer size of the monitor required a significant amount of desk space and proper positioning to avoid neck strain. While the curve helped with viewing angles, it took some time to adjust for precision work. All in all, it provides an excellent alternative to multi-monitor configurations for those with adequate desk space. And there you have it, the 7 best monitors for graphic designers. Remember, the best monitor for you depends on your specific requirements and work environment. We hope this video helps you make an informed decision to take your graphic design work to the next level. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.